morning. How are you today? And how was your trip? All fine? I'm glad to hear that. Welcome guys to the Museum Bali in Denpasar. This museum is located in Mayor Wisnu Street in Denpasar. Before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Putri Perdana. You can call me Putri for the simple. I'm a student from the Bachelor of Tourism in IPB International. And as your guide for today in Museum Bali, and I will accompany your activities here and also tell you information about this Museum Bali. Before we start, please look around guys. This museum is located in the center city in Denpasar. And as you can see, this is a large file, namely is Puputan Badung Field. Puputan Badung Field is mostly people enjoying the jogging or maybe just chilling here. Well, let's go to the inside of the museum. Here you go. This is the entrance gate of this Museum Bali. I will tell you a little about this Museum Bali. Museum Bali has an idea of the construction from the assistant resident in Bali in 1932, namely WFG Crew. And his idea was realized in the 1910, and the first building is namely Arca Building. Now let's go see inside, guys. As you can see now, on your right side, there is a local ticket for tourist registration and also for the post information, and over there is like information about the road or maybe the maps of the Museum Bali. This is also Bali Kulku. Bali Kulku is typical of the building that has function. In the front of the building there is a gong or kentongan. Gong or kentongan, this is has a sound, and this function has to tell the public for the natural disaster, for tell the public if there's any natural disaster such as like maybe flood. And this is the museum courtyard. The function of this museum courtyard is for a formal event, for public event, or maybe for the just community related. This is the information of the building. You can see this is the East building, and this building, namely for inspired of the Regency in Bali. The name is Buleleng Building, Karangasem Building, and also Tabanan Building. This building is East Building. The East Building has divided in the two floors. The first floor is like cultural icons in Bali, and the second floor is like weapons as ceramic jars and many more about the Balinese history. Here you go. This is a door. The third building I mentioned before has divided by this door. This door is has architecture, Balinese architecture, and has relief on it. You can see it. This is just wonderful and beautiful, right? Let's go from inside, guys. And this is the Buleleng Building. Maybe it looks like a little narrow, but is there a lot of history behind it? Let's go see inside, guys. Well, the Buleleng Building is representing the style of the Temple Poganda or the Meru. This is architecture is inspired by the north part of Bali in Buleleng, and this name is given to this museum in 1932. Let's go inside. This room will tell you about the history of money, especially about the Kepeng coins. If you're wondering what is Kepeng coins is, you can see here. This is several or many types of the Kepeng coins. You can see here is the description, a lot of description that like Pisdan Mongsa, Pisnakula, Sahadewa, Panca Pandavi coin. This is so many types of Kepeng coins. And here, this is history about the Bali before Kepeng coin exists. Bali was also known as the strategic region for trade, so many foreigners or many sellers from the other country come to the north part in Bali, especially in Buleleng. Before Kepeng coins exist, people in Bali usually has their transaction with the barter system. You can see here. The barter system is like seashell, it's like a cannon or tusked animals, and this is the beads. And this is a type of the metal, like metal coins that has been brought by Chinese people. Chinese people is majority use the metal stuff that bring to the Bali for the transaction. So the metal that Chinese brought here is have a high value, and the metal coins is means as a valid means of payments in maybe 14th century until 1950. You can see here the Kepeng coins or Chinese coin. This is types of Kepeng coins. This is a Chinese coin, this is a Japanese coin, and this is a Vietnamese coin. Until now, Kepeng coins has a function. The first function is for the ritual or ceremonial religion or Hinduism in Bali. Ritual, this is for the sesajen, for the banten. If you're wondering what is sesajen or banten, it's like some Hinduist people is offering something to their gods. You can see here, this is for the accessories in the Pis Penyenyeng, in the Pis Lekeh, Pis Satakan, and Pis Yuan. And this is salang. Salang is like this is contribute to for the ceremonial, and also this for the accessories or maybe for the symbol of purifying. And next, the Kepeng coins as the function of artistic. Kepeng coins of the has the function of artistic because this is looks like a statue. The statue is called Oleg statue, and this is the Rambut Sedana statue. This is has a high value of aesthetic, of cultural value, and also this may be if you guys going to the hotels or maybe restaurant for sightseeing for the people. And guys, you can see here Uang Kepeng as the means of traditional games. The traditional games is here like a Plinceran, Mekeles, and Metoktok. This is a description. You can see here. The Plinceran is just used for 1 coins, and Mekeles is used a lot of coins like 18 until 120 coins, and Metoktok is just for use 16 coins. This is money piggy bank. This is a traditional money bank for save your money. And this is New Kepeng coins. New Kepeng coins now is broadcast in the several areas or several regency in Bali, in Gianyar, in Kelungkung, and also in Badung. Guys, let's see in the outside. Around of this room is have statue. This is a figure in the past, and then it's all not for sale. It's just for aesthetic value here.
Well, after all, Pavilion Buildings is tell about the history of Cape Coins and function the Cape Coins until now.
Well guys, this is a Karangasem building, with a large building in this museum. And well guys, maybe our time is over now. You can enjoy here or maybe take a rest before you leave for the next destination. I'm very thank you for your participation for today in Museum Bali, and I hope you have experience and a little bit of the knowledge about the Bali since you guys in Bali. If you want going to the restroom, it's over there. Thank you very much and see you next time.